In today's video, I will teach you how to remove red eye in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first step is opening the red eye removal tool. To do this, go to the Develop module or simply press D on your keyboard. And in the right panel, you can find the red eye correction tool, which is the eye icon under the histogram. You can click on the red eye for people or pet eye for animals. And you can also zoom in or simply press Z on your keyboard for better accuracy. The second step is selecting the affected area. To do this, click and drag over the red eye to create a selection circle. Then Lightroom will automatically detect and correct the red eye. If Lightroom doesn't detect it perfectly, you can resize or reposition the circle manually. The third step is fine-tuning the fix. You can adjust the pupil size slider to make the correction blend naturally. And use the darken slider to match the eye's natural darkness, but keep it subtle to avoid an unnatural look. Now let's do a final check and save. You can press the backward slash key to compare the before and after, then click done when satisfied. If the correction looks too strong, you can also use the adjustment brush or simply press K on your keyboard and use it to lightly darken or refine the area. And to export your image, you can go to File, then Export, or simply press Shift-Control-E on your keyboard or Command-Shift-E on Mac. With these quick steps, you'll fix red eye in seconds and get flawless portraits every time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.